I am going to show you today how to create a third person game. So we're going to go to Unreal Engine here, launch it. Okay, once it launches, we're going to go to games here, third person, click it, and then make sure you have starter content clicked, and then create. All right, when that starts up, you got a nice little template here. You can look around. All right, and to start playing it, you're going to click the play this level button. There's your third person view of your game player. I can look around with my left mouse button. I can move with the W key, have her run up this ramp. I can have her jump with the space bar. So I'm going to go forward, jump. There we go. And I am at the top here, and I can look around. All right. The blue cubes right here, I can kick them. And just run around and have a little fun. You can, of course, hit the escape key to get out of the game mode. Move any of these that you want. All this can be moved. You can build your own level. Whatever you want, build it. Have her run up it, make a house, have her run into the house, whatever you want to do. All right, have fun, be creative.